Hey y'all, it's Farmer MeeMaw, and today I was supposed to show you how I fit that huge Sam's Club haul into my kitchen cabinets. Well, I bit off more than I could chew, and my kitchen is still turned upside down. So today I'm going to show you some of the things that I've been doing, especially outside and maybe in the kitchen, that I just haven't posted before. You're going to get to see the kinds of things that have been keeping me busy. Like whenever I say, y'all, I've been so busy. This is what I'm talking about. In this video, you're actually going to see every tractor I own. You'll see my quail tractor, my duck tractor, my chicken tractor, and of course Baby Blue. You'll even see my riding lawnmower, which my husband calls a lawn tractor. I keep telling him a lawnmower, a riding lawnmower is not a tractor, but he just doesn't listen. Anyway, so right now I am using my tractor, Baby Blue, to move my chickens and ducks. That's one of my favorite things about my tractor. I no longer have to pull my chicken tractor and my duck tractor by hand. I could if I had to, but I'm so glad I don't have to. Apron. Earlier, whenever I was moving the chicken and the duck tractors, there were eggs in the chicken tractor, and so I got them out and I put them in the pockets of the apron I was wearing. Well, after that, I went inside, took care of lunch and stuff like that, and I was sitting at my desk. I did a video and I was like just posting it real quick. And I noticed, why is my stomach wet? I haven't been sweating. One of the eggs had busted. So now I'm wearing this one, and I'm about to mow. Yay. But I'm going to mow the easiest stuff, and hopefully up against the fence in the back. You see my whole yard needs to be mowed. We're going to get some of it taken care of. I actually forgot to mention this tractor. It is actually the OG tractor on my Homestead. This is the original chicken tractor that my dad built for me probably 12 to 15 years ago whenever I very first started keeping chickens. I love that thing, and it's actually, I'm just using it for scrap at this point because it has seen its better days. Quail tractor that I built pretty much all by myself with a design that I actually came up with myself. Now you get to watch me try to move it across a whole bunch of roots that stick up way too far out of the ground, y'all. I struggled with this thing so hard. But last year a fox or a small dog actually broke through the top of the lid where I lift it to put the water in and out, you know, take the food in and out in the water, and they broke through the hardware cloth. And so I'm about to fix this before my quail that were staying in my house, and they were getting ready to be moved out. It was time for them to move out into the yard. And so I had to repair my quail tractor first. And so you're going to get to watch me do that with some help from my youngest son. Oh, and in a little bit, you'll get to see my husband help me put quail in the tractor so they don't fly away. our PowerMate trimmer. You guys, I love this thing. It's easier than a weed eater because you don't have to carry it. You can push it like a push mower. I am able to start it. This one was basically brand new, and you're going to see in this video it blows up, it does something, and you're going to see it smoke. And then my son and I took it back, and we got a replacement, no big deal. And I used the fire out of this thing, and it is so easy to change the string or replace the string. you know, because you break the string just like you do with a weed eater. I'll have to do a full review on it in another video. But yeah, this is us trying to get it into my car after it broke. We decided that we were going to have to wait and put it in a pickup truck that I borrowed from my dad. And a video about what has been keeping me busy would not be complete without a dirty kitchen that needs hope you guys are enjoying this video. Let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of video so I'll know to make more of them. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do that and hit the bell notification so that you get a notification anytime that I post a video. you for watching, and be sure you come back tomorrow to see the video where I show you how I organize my cabinets and manage to get everything from that Sam's grocery haul into my kitchen cabinets. Hopefully that video will end with a clean and organized kitchen. Good Lord willing and the creeks don't rise. So y'all be sure and come back.